Hi guys, today I'm making Plum Good Crumb Cake by Hannah Kaminsky. So the things that you need for this Plum Good Crumb Cake is milk, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla extract, some rice vinegar, yogurt, sugar, flour, butter, a whisk, a spatula, a medium-sized bowl, and a big-sized bowl. So first we're going to take some milk and we're going to add it into our medium mixing bowl. And then we're going to take a rice vinegar, add it in. I'm just going to mix it up. Now I'm going to let this curdle aside. Now I'm going to take some butter in the mixing bowl. Okay. Don't worry guys, my hands are clean. Okay. And then I'm going to take some sugar. And now I'm going to beat it with this beater. Next, I'm going to take my sifter and I'm going to sift in my flour, my baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then I'm just going to sift that in, like so. As you can see, we're done now. Then I'm just going to mix. Oh my God. Now I'm going to add some yogurt into my mixture that I had made before in the beginning. And then I'm going to add some vanilla. And then I'm going to stir until fully combined. Now I'm going to add this yogurt mixture into my dry mixture and stir until it's like a batter-like consistency. Now I have mixed it all together. So if you use a stand mixer, you wouldn't need more milk, but I'm not using a stand mixer, so I just use like a dash of more milk so you could reach this nice consistency. And it looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. So I know it's called Plum Good Crumb Cake, but I mean, life is better with a twist, isn't it? So today I'm gonna use mangoes and plums. So first I'm gonna cut up the mangoes and then I'm gonna wrap them with about a tablespoon of flour, and then we'll add that into our cake. Now I'm gonna add my fruits into the flour to coat them up. I think I have more mangoes than plums now, but this is gonna be so yummy. I cannot wait. Now I'm gonna take my batter. I'm only gonna put half of this right now. Oh my God. I'm just gonna add this in. Okay, so I've made my one layer. And I'm gonna add the fruits. And I'm gonna spread that out. Now, when you add your second layer of flour, make sure that there's no remaining plum or mango that's visible. So I have prepared my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to add this lovely little baby in the oven. Now I'm going to make the crumb topping of our cake. For the crumb topping, you need butter, sugar, flour, cinnamon, and cardamom. Now I'm going to add my cardamom, my cinnamon, and my sugar. And I'm going to whisk it together. I'm going to add my butter. You can melt it. If you have brown sugar at home, you could use that too. Or coconut sugar. And then you whisk it all together. And this will be a crumb topping. Now I have my crumb topping. Middle and snack. Some of the crumb topping on top, so it can cook. Okay, that's it. So now it's been in the oven for about 50 minutes, and I'm going to take it out now. Oh my god, guys, looks so good. If you guys have like a bundt mold, you could do it in that. Because this recipe is originally supposed to be made in a bundt mold, but I didn't really have that ready today. But guys, it looks so amazing. Oh my god, too hot. I know I touched that. It's like overflowing a bit because we're supposed to use a bundt pan. But if you are using a bundt pan, I would like to ask you to maybe add a bit more of the things that I say. So now this is how it looks like. Thank you for watching. I took the baby out of the pan and it's cooling down. And let's slice this baby. God. Oh my god, it's so moist. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Oh my god, guys, that's a peach or mango. I have no clue. Oh my god, there's like pieces of peach. Pieces of peach. Mmm. Oh my god, it's just so good. It's like insane. Oh my god, good. Bye guys, I'm trying to eat this right now.